Wi-Fi. And from here you just need to type in Wi-Fi and hit enter. Oh, actually sudo and then Wi-Fi, hit enter. And it's going to start searching for targets. Stop it right there. Control C. And I'm going to use my own network for this demonstration. So, on the left hand side it has numbers. Grab the number for the one that you want to use. Or if you're gonna do all of them, then just type in all. But I'm gonna choose mine, just that one for this demonstration. And it's gonna launch a few different attacks to find out vulnerabilities and see if it can penetrate the network. So the first one that it launches is the pixie dust attack. Now this might take a little while. I think the last time I tried it on my network it took maybe 4 minutes. So I'll leave it for about 30 seconds more to see if I can do it quicker this time. If not, then I'll just stop the video and then go back into it when it's finished to show you the results. Wasn't able to crack the handshake. Let me show you what it did. So it does the pixie dust attack first, and then that failed because it wasn't able to find any vulnerabilities with that. So it went ahead and did the no pin attack. And it failed as well, no vulnerabilities with that. And try to get the WPS in. And it failed because the guy's phone slumped. Then let's try to grab the handshake. And it failed. It wasn't able to after 300 seconds. So I'd like to just mention that for this to work better, I guess, your processor has to be really good. Like, the better your processor is, the higher the chance is that you're going to be able to grab that handshake. Because most of the modern routers are built with what do you call it, the authentication resistance or something like that. So the better your processor is, the harder you can hit that network to try to grab the handshake. But normally after it grabs the handshake, it will go ahead and try to decrypt the password. And then if it's able to, with the logq.txt or the other password decrypting file that you have it in Kali Linux as default, then it will give you the password when you go into the file. That will be over here. Let me show you. It will show up under home. Yeah, it should be like right here. As you can see, that's where I put my last video file. But that's it. That's the first, probably the easiest method to crack the password. To crack a Wi-Fi password, although it doesn't always work. It all just depends on how strong the network is, what kind of defenses it has, and how strong your machine is. Alright, catch you next time. I'm going to be showing you a different way to crack a Wi-Fi password or hack into a Wi-Fi network,